Hey guys, today we will be talking about one of my other favorite hobbies, gardening and using kitchen scraps to regrow in your garden. Keep in mind that kitchen scraps are also good for composting, but I'm choosing to regrow them in these cases. These are carrot ends that I've covered with compost a week or two, and they've already started to sprout greens. For galangal or ginger, you want big healthy pieces with new growth. Plant them in early spring so you can harvest by fall. You want to keep the soil moist, but you don't want it to be soggy because that will cause root rot. For lettuce, you can take the ends and bury them slightly and they'll start sprouting. In just days, you'll have baby lettuce leaves that you can use for lettuce wraps or salads. New potatoes are great. They're easy to grow and they basically multiply. You can grow a Thai chili plant from the ripe peppers. There's no need to buy seeds or anything, it's in the pepper. You can dry out the seeds of the red bell pepper and start bell pepper plants that way. We had friends of the family who had the most beautiful tomato garden. We asked them where they got the seeds, and they said tomato slices from fast food restaurant hamburgers. Again, the seeds are in the fruit. And my favorite, the onion ends. Cutting them this way, you won't get your fancy restaurant style cuts, but you will get new onions. Hope you all give some of these a try, cut down on food waste, regrow some food. Thanks for watching. For tips and more, visit my website, craftstocrumbs.com.